Hi, here again with homemade craft ideas. This video will show you some DIY corner shelf that you can make at home. A corner shelf combined with a very creative work table. You can have work equipment storage close to your workplace. What a clever idea! This shelf can be used as storage in the corner area and can be moved as you wish. It has several levels of shelf that can be used to display various room decoration. Utilizing waste wood is a great idea to get unique and maximally useful furniture. You can turn used wood into an old-fashioned style wall shelf like in this video. This is a variety of shelf for walls with unique shape, so that the room looks more attractive and modern. Shelf with a diagonal shape can make room design more dynamic. Having lots of cleaning and carpentry tools certainly requires adequate storage for easy organization. You can imitate this homemade shelf to make storage space more efficient, and your tools are easy to find. you have a lot of things that you want to store in the form of corner wall shelf, then the following shelf ideas are for you. This shelf has several levels of shelves and an aesthetic shape for various rooms in the house.